Salesforce Certificate Pd2 Dumps. 16. A developer created an Apex class that updates an account based on input from a Lightning Web component that is used to register an account. The update to the account should only be made if it has not already been registered. Account equals selected, is registered _C from. Account where it equals, account id. If, account.is _registered_C. Account.is registered equals true. // set other account fields. Update account. What should the developer do to ensure that users do not overwrite each other's updates to the same account if they make updates at the same time? A. Use database.update, account, false. B. Add a try/catch block around the update. C. Use upsert instead of update. D. Use for update in a SOQL query. Answer. A. Use database.update, account, false. 17. An org has a process builder process on opportunity that sets a custom field, CommissionBaseAmounts, when an opportunity is edited and the opportunity's amount changes. A developer recently deployed an opportunity before update trigger that uses the CommissionBaseAmount and complex logic to calculate a value for a custom field, CommissionBaseAmount_C, when an opportunity stage changes to close/1. Users report that when they change the opportunity to close/1 and also change the amount during the same save, the CommissionAmount_C is incorrect. Which two actions should the developer take to correct this problem? Choose two answers. A. Call the trigger from the process. B. Uncheck the recursion checkbox on the process. C. Use a static Boolean variable in the trigger. D. Call the process from the trigger. Answers. A. Call the trigger from the process. C. Use a static Boolean variable in the trigger. 18. When the sales team views an individual customer record, they need to see recent interactions for the customer. These interactions can be sales orders, phone calls, or cases. The date range for recent interactions will be different for every customer record type. How can this be accomplished? A. Use Lightning Flow to read the customer's record type, and then do a dynamic query for recent interactions and display on the view page. B. Use a Lightning component to query and display interactions based on record type that is passed in using a design attribute from the Lightning page. C. Use Batch Apex to query for the most recent interactions when the customer view screen is loaded. D. Use a dynamic form on the customer record page to display recent interactions. Answer. A. Use Lightning Flow to read the customer's record type, and then do a dynamic query for recent interactions and display on the view page. 19. A developer is creating a Lightning Web component to display a calendar. The component will be used in multiple countries. In some locales, the first day of the week is a Monday, or a Saturday, or a Sunday. What should the developer do to ensure the calendar displays accurately for users in every locale? A. Use a custom metadata type to store key/value pairs. B. Query the first Dayofweek field from the locale for the current user. C. Use UserInfo.getLocale in the component. D. Import the first day of week property in the component. Answer. C. Use UserInfo.getLocale in the component. 20. Universal Containers, UC, has custom order and order line objects that represent orders placed by its customers. A developer has a new requirement that UC's external enterprise resource planning (ERP) system must be able to integrate with Salesforce to create orders for existing customers in Salesforce whenever an order is placed in the ERP system. What should the developer use to create the orders in Salesforce? A. Connect API. B. Change Data Capture API. C. Sobject Tree API D. Event Monitoring API. Answer. A. Connect API. For more information visit this site www.salesforcestart.com.